Hi, kindergarten friends. We're here with you again to write another book with our story cubes. Okay, get ready. We're going to shake them up, and see what kind of story we're going to write. Let's shake them really good so they get nice and mixed up. All right, here they go. Ooh, what do we have? What do we have? Ooh, we got some new ones that we've never seen before. So remember, each picture is going to be one sentence that you're going to write. And you're writing a story about them. A story about the pictures. And if you don't like the order, it's your story. So if you were writing a story like this, one day there was a turtle. He was very cute. But then a sneaky person in a mask came and stole the turtle. And it was at nighttime and there was lots of fish. But then, you don't really like this one? Put it over here. Don't use it. And you can keep telling the story, and you could say something like, they didn't know where the fish went or where the turtle went. And then, don't know what this is? You can decide. So you're writing a story of anything you want. One sentence per picture, or even more than one sentence. Happy writing! Oh, I also want to remind you, make sure to draw pictures in your book, because if someone just reads it and reads some random stuff, they might be confused. But if you add pictures that show what you mean, people will think your book is awesome.